Morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time you're watching this video. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to my brothers and sisters around the globe. Watching this video from around the globe. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can use your PHOTOROOM app to easily remove image background without the quality of the image being reduced. But before diving into the video, please, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you. I really appreciate. So I'll be moving to the PHOTOROOM app now. So the PHOTOROOM app I will be using is the premium app. So I'll be putting the download link to download this app in the video description, so you can easily get the app from the video using the link in the video description. So this is the PHOTOROOM app. Let's check into the app. So you want to remove your background, you must make sure you put on your data. So you just click on start from image. You click on start from image and start from photo rather, where I'm pointing the arrow. So you click on that, then your gallery opens up like this. So you select the image you want to remove the background, and the image will be scanned like this. So once the image has been scanned, so you can see we have white, black and transparent. So you just click on the third one, which is transparent. You click on the third one where I'm pointing the arrow. This, you click on it. Transparent. After clicking on transparent, you'll be having this. As you can see, the quality of the image is not reduced. So you can just remove your background using PHOTOROOM, and the quality of the image you are removing the background will not be reduced. So you just, you have this page, you click on this icon, this share icon. You click on it, then click on save to gallery. Then your image has been saved to gallery. So let's check our gallery now, whether the image background has been removed. So as you can see, this is the image. So that is just how you can easily remove background image using your PHOTOROOM app. Thanks for watching.